It's a little surprise.
What is that?
I don't know. A little underwhelming.
Gotta squeeze the lemon.
I don't know what it is. It looks like I'm wearing a hat. We're here in Baku, Azerbaijan. We're gonna see what $20 can get us in the city in a day.
We are out in Baku, and first we are headed to the grocery store to get some breakfast. Like a croissant. A little croissant.
Not sure. Get one of these things. I don't know what it is. It's like sweet bread, hopefully. Just gonna chance it though. I think this is about 40 cents maybe. We got that and chocolate croissant.
Gonna get a little iced coffee.
Got salty caramel. We got 1 liter of water, 69 cents a month. Let's get that.
So
All right.
we got our breakfast. We got 2 croissants, a liter of water, and then like a little iced coffee for $2.60 total. So like $1.30 each for a little light breakfast.
Which is 4.43 manat. So for reference, $1 US equals 1.7 manat.
No.
So yeah, pretty good deal. Water.
We did not figure out the croissant machine correctly though, and we held up the line and they had to call someone and send someone to the back to do it the right way. So
in the
maybe we'll get it next time.
Yeah, in the US you don't have to weigh any of your produce. They do it at the cash register. But everywhere else you have to weigh your produce and your croissants and pretty much anything on the machine, and then you take the sticker, put it on it, and then all they do at the cash register is scan it. So
yeah, I mean, and we know that, but for some reason we couldn't figure this one out.
yeah, this one was
they were
super
really nice
complicated.
about it. So here's already ate half mine.
Not Starbucks.
Yeah, you can try it. I'll take your bun.
Yeah, you can try my bun.
Good bun. Oh,
What's that in there?
A little nut.
It's a little surprise.
What is that?
I don't know.
Has there been anything in it until now?
No.
Oh. It's just right there.
You got some type of not really sure. Cup of cheese or something in there?
It's like sweet.
It's like sweet cheese and like a
But it's like brown. No. What is that?
like some type of raisin or something.
Yeah.
Not a raisin, it's like a white grape raisin. I'm not really sure.
A white grape raisin with cheese.
And then there's like cottage cheese or something in there. I just thought it was the glazed bun, but it's surprising. It's like dinosaur egg oatmeal.
So we are headed to the Nizami metro station to take the metro over to the Haydar museum that we couldn't get into the other day that we're going to try again. We're walking down the street here, and the metro station I think is near a mosque, and they just had the call to prayer. But we're excited to take the metro. We've been walking so much since we've been in Baku. We've been averaging like, I don't know what, 15,000 steps a day. So we've been trekking. And we haven't taken the metro for some reason. So we're gonna take it over to the museum, which should be cool. It is illegal to like film or take pictures or anything, so we won't be able to do that. But the metros here are the old like Soviet style metro stations, which is interesting. They're usually like decorated, like chandeliers and paintings, and they're supposed to be pretty beautiful. So we'll see.
Yeah, I think it's about three stops that we're going. 3 stops on the metro.
3 stops over to the museum, and I think it's pretty cheap to ride. I can't remember how much. Less than $1.
Yeah, we'll see.
Less than $1.
We'll see.
So
40 cents or something.
see you on the other side.
To the Haydar Aliyev Center. Just got off the subway, and the subway is super cool. It's more of like a Soviet style subway, and it had a bunch of mosaics inside. You can tell the artwork is pretty old. One of the stations was really cool, and then the other one was like super Soviet and had the like kind of the old gold in it. And the pillars were kind of wrapped up with advertisements now, but you can see the Soviet influence that it had on the subway. What did you think of the subway?
Somehow like an interview.
Yeah.
What did you think of the subway?
You like the subway? Thinking to you. We're in the newsroom.
That's in the mic.
Okay.
It was interesting. So we got on at the Nizami station, which that one was, that one had like the mosaics, and it was really pretty. It looked like a museum almost, I thought. And then we got off at, which station? Niraman. It was like 2 words that start with N that are very similar.
I can't remember what it is.
So that one was cool. That was the one that was like, when you picture like traditional Soviet, it had the big golden columns, and one of the stops was the 28 May station, but we couldn't really see that one. It looked, from what we could see out the window, it looked like a little bit more plain. But it was cool. Also, at each stop, I can't remember if it was like when you stop and when you go, there was like classical music instead
piano
of
music.
Yeah, like piano music instead of just like I don't know, like a speaker where it's the name of the station or something. It was like they also had piano music.
We got the subway. You have to get the subway card before you can get on the subway. So the subway card was 2 manat, and then to ride on the actual subway was 40 cents in manat. So literally a quarter. So once you get your subway card, it's a quarter to ride the subway. Super cheap to ride the subway. So I think we spent $2.80 total. That's like $1.75 or something. $1.75 to ride the subway.
Yeah. Like they're starting to like clean up stuff from the astronaut. I keep saying astronaut.
Astronautical Congress. International Astronautical Congress.
The Astronautical Congress. So since they're cleaning it up, maybe that's a good sign that it's over and we will be able to get into the museum. So
yeah, should be able to get in now.
Here we are again, and we can't get in. They told us to come back today and that we could get in, but we cannot get in.
It's closed apparently from the International Astronautical Congress. I guess they're doing like cleanup. Fortunately, this is good for the budget.
Yeah, we have more money for today's budget.
But not really good for our day because we really wanted to see this. If I position this camera right, it looks like I'm wearing a hat. See, it looks like I'm wearing a hat. This is a place we're about to eat at. Our Airbnb host recommended it to us. So it's about $3 per meal. So we're gonna see if we can stay under our budget and get some good food. Yeah, we're getting a Lamoujan, and I think we're going
Yeah. Gotta squeeze the lemon.
It's all our trash. What do you think? It was good.
Ate it all. Alright, we finished lunch and it was so good.
We had the shawarma and
Which
the
was
shawarma, which was 5 manat. 5
yeah.
manat, which is $3. We had the lamoujan, lamushan, which was 2 manat, so $1.20. And then we had 2 cokes, which was 360 manat.
But they were 180 each.
180
so
each.
360 total. Yeah.
So our total was $10.60 manat, which is like $6.25.
Yeah.
$6.25.
23.
$6.23. $6.23.
623. So not bad. Yeah, we're in the port, like Baku area right now. So I think we're gonna walk over.
By the promenade.
Yeah,
Promenade.
that's
Promenade.
We're walking over by the water, and you can see all of the F1. What is it? Garages?
Yeah, Formula One garages from the race in, I think, July. They had the race here in Baku.
So right here on the main road, there's a lot of traffic, but you can see it over there.
You can see all the grandstands and the seats and the boxes. I think this is probably like a more VIP area, it looks like. It looks super nice.
Okay, we're at the mall. There's a good view of the city if you come from the mall, like out to the back. You can see the whole city, which is really nice. The wind is whipping out here, though.
So about a 5-minute walk from the mall is the vernacular, which is about to take us to the top, and we'll get a good view of the flame buildings, the torch buildings, and then also of the sunset. Everyone's waiting in line. We took the vernacular up to the top. The vernacular was 2 manat total, so 1 manat per person. So it was $1.18 to get to the top, but you do get a great view of flame towers. You can walk a little bit and get a great view of the city. Right now we are behind the mosque as well. There's a really pretty mosque here. So you can see the flame towers, the mosque, and get a really good view with some... What you looking at?
Scared me.
What did you think of the vernacular?
It was good. I guess we were sitting, which was nice because my feet are tired from walking. But if you're sitting, you can't really see anything because everybody just lines up at the front and then holds up their phones to record, and then you don't see anything at all. So it was nice to sit down for a while after walking, and I guess it's like it was 1 manat's ride, which gets you up here.
A little underwhelming. It gets you up here. That's probably the best part, but
yeah, I would say it's like it's a form of transportation to get up here, but it's like not an attraction in itself.
that's true.
I would say this is the best view of the city, at least of what we've seen. I'm sure there's some secret view we don't know about, but
Yeah, that's true.
Of what we've seen, it's not bad. It's crowded, but to be expected.
Here's the vernacular. Here's the mosque and the flame towers that will be lit up soon. I'm not sure what that is. That looks like some type of government building built during the Soviet era. And then they have the flame and the TV tower. So it's 6:30 and we're here at the flame towers and they just lit them up.
It was perfect.
Yeah, perfect timing. We're right here by the road, so it's really loud, but look, you can kind of start to see the flag. It's hard to see when it's this close. And you can hear the mosque in the background too. So we got a recommendation about this local spot here in the square.
Secret local spot.
Yeah, it's a secret local spot. Not a lot of people know about this. But it's got good food and super cheap. So we'll let you know how it is afterwards. Okay, so we've made it to this super local spot. Got the Big Mac, $5.50.
Yeah. All right, so we're getting a 6-piece nugget and then a Big Mac with a large fry to split and a large Sprite. 15 Minot.
That's like $8.
About $8.
Apparently this super secret place has super slow service, so it's been 30 minutes now that we've been waiting, and they still haven't brought the food out. So. It's kind of like
that's what we get for coming to McDonald's.
Yeah.
It's karma. Got some nuggets, fries, and a Big Mac.
It is good though.
Worth the 40-minute wait.
I had to go up there and get it myself from the manager. So I could watch a YouTube video on how to cook the food and then cook it myself quicker than we got our food. We're back at the Airbnb after our $20 day. Came in at $24 total. So that was breakfast from the market for $2.60. That was the Metro card plus the Metro ticket for 2 people, which was $1.65. Our lunch, which was $6.23. The ride on the funicular, which was $1.18 for 2 tickets. McDonald's, which came to $8.94. And then our dessert, which came to $3.53. So a total of $24.13 for a day in Baku.
So that's our $20 day. Catch you next time.
Yeah. If you would like to see more $20 videos, we'll be making more $20 videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe to get the newest $20 video. Anything else? You just stuffed your mouth with the rest of the baklava.
I can't say anything.